welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be talking about how to care for your scalp while in a protective style. Plus, if you know you are interested in haircare tips, routines, videos and many more, make sure to join the family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. Essential that you don't neglect your scalp even while in a protective style. Scalp care when in a protective style starts even before the installation of a protective style. Meaning, before you go into a protective style, you have to make sure you wash your hair and you have to make sure your scalp is clean. A messy scalp equals messy hair. So for your hair to be healthy, you have to make sure your scalp is healthy as well. So you have to make sure to keep your scalp as clean as possible. And if you are the type that go on long-term protective styles like me, I usually go on very long-term protective style like 3 months. The last protective style I was in before I installed this was actually box braid, and I kept that in for 5 months. So when you know you are going on long-term protective style, you have to make sure your scalp is very clean prior to the installation of the protective style. Now, when in the protective style itself, you always have to make sure you don't neglect your scalp. Now, talking about keeping your scalp clean while in a protective style, there are different methods of keeping your scalp clean. Some actually wash their hair while in protective style. Especially for me, I don't do that because I've not really tried it, but I feel that my hair may get tangled when I do it, so I have not really done that. Maybe I will someday, but for now I don't wash my hair while in a protective style. The main way I used to keep my scalp clean when in a protective style is using methylated spirit and cotton wool. I actually did a video on that, you can check it out, because I don't do this all the time. I do it mostly when I'm on box braids, like when I have access to my scalp. When I'm on sew-ins, I don't usually do anything on my scalp. And use of this methylated spirit and cotton wool, it's a routine I started recently, like a year ago, and it has actually helped me, especially in stopping itchy scalp. Other ways of keeping your scalp clean apart from use of methylated spirit include use of dry shampoos. You can also use witch hazel. I've not really tried that on my hair, but you can try it out. I heard it's a very good product as well. That's it about cleansing agents for your scalp when in a protective style. Another way you can care for your scalp indirectly while in a protective style is to try and limit the amount of time you sweat, okay? Because when you sweat excessively, especially when you're the type that works out every day, there's going to be build up on your scalp, which can make your hair get tangled and matted at the roots and all that. Plus your hair will actually become more itchy and all that. So if possible, try and limit the amount of time you sweat. And if it's possible for you to be in a very aerated environment 24/7, I advise you do that. But if you're the type that works out every day and it's compulsory you do it, you can try out dry shampoos. They are actually excellent for cleaning your hair after working out. So those are the few tips I have for caring for your scalp while in a protective style. Plus, I'm interested in knowing which of these methods you use to clean your scalp while in a protective style and which cleansing agents you use while in this protective style. So make sure to leave that in the comment section down below. Plus, if you have not been using any of these cleaning agents and you want to try out a new one, I would also like to know the one you are interested in trying out. So make sure to leave that in the comment section down below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.